Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm here with Mixed Media Guy.
Hello.
And we have this 24 by 48 inch canvas. We're gonna do a really big marble pour on this, so I don't wanna give away the exciting idea until we get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill up this 32 ounce split cup. We're gonna fill this up twice, and we're gonna be doing a big ring pour there. So we're using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. We'll list the colors in the description. I'll go ahead and I'll speed this part up for you. I'm gonna fill up that other side. Okay guys, so that was interesting trying to get it all covered. Put a little extra electric purple around the edges just for good measure, most of which will be tilted off as we go. So I've got the marble right here in the middle.
Looks like a hockey rink. How apropos.
A hockey rink.
Yeah, there's like a goal, and here's the stands.
Okay, I can see that. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and move all these bottles out of the way, and then Mixed Media Guy and I are gonna stand at opposite ends, and we're going to move the marble around, and the goal is of course to keep the marble on there until we're done with our design. So it's going to kind of be a fun game of tug of war, but without, you know, neither of us trying to win. Or we're both trying to win. All right, so let's get all set up here. Okay.
Alright.
Here goes nothing. Alright.
Coming your
It's
way.
gonna take some teamwork here.
Yeah, right. This is interesting.
So this way a bit.
We practiced this without the paint on there. This is moving way slower than it was then, which
Right.
is good.
Yeah.
It's ultimately a good thing.
Ooh, definitely like these colors. So let's, in the middle, let's kind of zigzag it a little.
Oh, yeah.
Whee!
This is something.
This is a good, what, like marriage building,
This is
team building activity.
There you go.
Oh, oh. When it goes out of the paint, it will go off quickly.
Oh.
Where are you going? You have to lift it or it will not come this way.
I know where it is. It's also a good communication drum.
Kind of want to break up that yellow over there, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm with that.
Okay. You have to tilt a little bit or it's not going to go that way.
I'm winning. She's just mad about it.
Right.
I see what you're doing. Hey now, back this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's get that corner covered a little bit.
Yeah.
That one right here. Oh, woo!
Oh, hey, that
Yeah.
was exciting. Look at that. Loop to loop.
All right, so let's start going for some coverage here.
Yes.
So bring it towards this way.
Toward you.
Higher. I think now that we've had some practice, we can go a little faster, you know.
I think so. That's fine.
Higher. Okay. Higher this way. Woo!
Oh!
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 So close.
I scored!
Oh, that's not how that works. Let's go towards you.
Okay.
Well, how do we feel about this design? Because we could actually run the marble off and then just tilt to cover.
Yeah, that was kind of what I was.
If we're happy with the design.
I am, I think.
I am too. I really like it actually.
Okay, good.
All
Let's roll the marble off, I guess.
I won.
Whatever.
Okay. Here, let's do the corner over there.
Here. Yep. Okay, good.
This helps having two people to cover a big canvas.
It really does. This is so good. A little more.
This way.
Okay.
Higher.
I see nothing.
That's okay. I will guide you.
Oh boy.
Okay, to your left.
To the left, to the left.
More higher. Higher. Good.
More higher. Got it.
More higher. More higher. Higher. And hold it. Nope.
Hold it.
Okay, down.
Okay, a little more to this corner here, so up and
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
so
think it's perfection.
I think it needs to come here this way. Just a
Just
cut.
because you want to cover that corner?
Oh, yeah.
Because we can cover that other ways without tilting the entire
Oh,
design.
fine.
Because I really like it. What do you think?
I dig it.
Okay. Yeah, I see. No worries. I got you.
Oh, I'm worried.
I know. I can tell. Okay. There's always some left in here. Here it comes.
Except now.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Boom.
Oh, and then this side. too. This corner.
All right.
Yaw. That is exciting.
Excellent. Okay, so we're gonna go around and just make sure we do have everything covered, and then we'll bring you guys in for a close-up.
Yeah, we will.
All right, you guys, bringing it in for a close-up. I am in love with this. Look at these crazy lines throughout the whole piece. So gorgeous.
This is the angry face.
Yep, right there.
It's like the painting's yelling at you. Buy me!
So this is one of, definitely one of my favorite pieces that we have created in a while.
Word.
And definitely good team building. I'm not sure if we like each other more afterwards or less, but it was still fun either way.
If we did it enough times, we would eventually probably like each other more. Just
That's
kill
true.
Each other. One of the
Yeah.
two.
Or kill each other, just beat each other with a canvas.
Yeah.
No.
That could be fun.
Okay. So, let us know what you guys think. And, you know, let us know if you plan on trying this out with your spouse or significant other or a coworker maybe with your child,
Oh, yeah.
you know.
Set up a lot of drop cloths.
Yeah, a lot of drop cloths, get a big canvas, and just have a go.
And, you know, keep an eye on the website because this could very well end up in the store.
Right? All right. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time.
Peace.